Holding on to Christ, Colossians chapter 2, 16 to 19. Good morning, family. In Colossians chapter 2, 16 to 19, the Apostle Paul gives an important warning to the church of Colossia. Some teachers had come into the church and were confusing believers. They were saying that true spirituality depended on special rituals, food, regulations, festivals, strict self-denial, and even mystical practices like worshipping angels. People were being judged based on what they ate, what festivals they kept, or how strictly they practiced religious traditions. Paul reminds them for something powerful. Many of those practices, such as ceremonial feast days, new moons, and ritual laws, were a shadow of things to come. A shadow points to something greater, and that greater reality is Christ Jesus. Paul's message is simple but profound. Do not let anyone make you feel spiritually inferior because you are not following human rules or tradition, because true spirituality does not come from rituals. It does not come from extreme self-denial. It does not come from mystical experiences. See, true spiritual life comes from holding firmly to Christ. Paul says in verse 19 that Christ is the head, and from him the whole body grows and is nourished. In other words, growth does not come from rules. Growth comes from connection. See, when we stay connected to Christ, he transforms our hearts, he strengthens our faith, and he causes us to grow spiritually. As Ellen White wrote, the secret of spiritual growth is union with Christ. So the message of Colossia is clear. Do not let traditions replace Jesus. Hold on to Christ, because when you are connected to him, everything else finds its proper place. God bless.